got planned here today is to pull this water tower down. It's about 120 feet high. The tower is sitting on top of a two-story building. It was laid down with 2-inch steel rods. Them rods have been cut, so it's just sitting there. And we have cables hooked on just under the tank on the two legs facing this way. We're going to pull it towards us here with 2 excavators at once, each pulling at the same time. The goal is for it to topple right down in here, nice and safe. There are a few things we can't anticipate, like rust and corrosion and that kind of stuff that may make it lurch one way or the other. So that's the gist of it. Then after the tower is down, then we're going to, if you notice, there's a 4-story elevator shaft about 80 feet high with the pigeon sitting on top there right now. We're going to basically break the floor and the roof out of the building that the water tower is standing on, so that the elevator shaft is a standalone structure. Then we will knock out the 2 corners, and then that elevator shaft should just fall over like a tree into the pile of rubble on that side. And that will be if all that goes well, we should be out of here by noon. Thank you.